Hello, my name is Bladen, and today we ask the question, where is gravity? So for this science test, you need a box, sellotape, nail, magnet, and a string, or you can use cotton string. So next step, you need to tie the string around the nail. Make sure it's tight. Then place a magnet in the middle of the box. Then face the sticky side on the box and the magnet. Make sure it doesn't move around. Take the nail and string and hold it close to the magnet. As you do it, you will feel the nail attract to the magnet. That is because the nail is made of iron. And as we know, iron is a magnetic conductor. Once you have figured out the point to which the nail is attracted to the magnet, put the nail down and use a sellotape to stick firmly on place. Carefully lift the nail back up into place until it is attracted. The string will hold tight and stop the nail from being fully attracted to the magnet and make it look like the nail is hovering in mid-air. This project you can show to your friends and family, and they will think that you're absolutely cool. This is a good demonstration that shows you the balance between gravity and magnetic attraction. To show others that this is not a trick, run a pencil or straw in between the nail and the magnet. Isn't it great? And that's how you ask, where is gravity? I hope you all enjoyed the science demonstration with me. Thank you very much.